This is ASPure Maths Notes. We're in Unit 9, we're in logarithms, and we're just moving on into solving index equations. So we'll just run through a few examples here and see how we get on. So effectively we want to take logs of both sides here. So we're going to write log 5 to the 4x minus 1 equals log 7x plus 2. We're then going to bring our powers to the front. So that's going to be 4x minus 1 upon log 5 equals x plus 2 upon log 7. That then gives us 4x log 5 minus log 5. See what I'm doing? I'm just multiplying out the brackets here. X log 7 plus 2 log 7. Now this looks a bit complicated, but really isn't. This is 4 log 5s is a number, log 5s is a number. It's nearly like a year 9 equation question. We're going to get x's to the one side and then numbers to the other. So I'm going to bring this over to here and then the log 5 over to here. So that's going to give me 4x log 5 minus x log 7 is equal to log 5 plus 2 log 7. And then the easiest thing to do here is actually to factorize out the x. So my next line is going to be x upon 4 log 5 minus log 7 is equal to log 5 plus 2 log 7. Dividing then by my bracket. And it's just a question then of putting this into your calculator. So if you want to stick on the fraction button or whatever, 2 log 7 plus log 5, put it in your calculator and you end up with 1.22. And that's that answer, the 2 decimal places. Let's do our second example here. Slightly different format, this one. 2 to the 2x minus 2 to the power of x equals 6. We can rewrite this 2 to the power of 2x as 2 to the power of x squared. Why is that? Because in year 10 we learnt that this power and this power get multiplied together. That's why those then are the same. Therefore then we can rearrange this. 2 to the power of x all squared minus 2 to the power of x minus 6 equals 0. So I've taken the 6 over the other side and then just done what I said I was going to do for this wee bit here. If I let y equal 2 to the power of x, what do we get? We get y squared minus y minus 6 equals 0. And hopefully you can just see that's a very straightforward quadratic equation. So I'd factorize that. Y minus 3, I think y plus 2 will work. And that means either then y minus 3 equals 0 or y plus 2 equals 0. And that means then y is 3 or y then is minus 2. So now changing this back, I'm going to get 2 to the power of x is 3, or 2 to the power of x is minus 2. And I'm going to take logs of both sides again. Log 2 to the x is log 3. X log 2 is log 3. And then x equals log 3 divided by log 2. Put that into your calculator and you get 1.58. The 2 decimal places. Please note that that's not the same as log of 3 over 2. That gives you a different thing, and people do get that confused all the time. Let's look at our other solution then. So again, logs of both sides. Log 2 to the x is log to the minus 2. And if you try that in your calculator, it's not going to work. You can't find the log of a negative number. You can't put something to some power and put it then kind of do a negative. So that one then is going to be impossible. So for this one, we have only one solution, and our answer then is x, which is 1.58.